Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you simple and honest reviews of the latest gadgets and tech. If you want to stay ahead in the world of technology, make sure you stick around. Today, let's talk about something huge in gaming: NVIDIA's RTX 50 series graphics cards. Every new generation from NVIDIA raises the bar, but the 50 series feels like a leap forward in both raw performance and how games look and feel. It's not just about faster frame rates, but also about smarter technology that changes the gaming experience. Let's start with performance. The RTX 50 series cards are built on NVIDIA's new architecture, designed to deliver massive gains over the RTX 40 series. Benchmarks already show higher frame rates across the board. Whether you are playing esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, or Apex Legends, or pushing AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, the jump in performance is clear. Gamers are seeing smoother gameplay, faster response times, and better stability. One of the biggest highlights is how the RTX 50 series handles 4K gaming. With the 40 series, 4K gaming was possible, but often required turning down settings or relying heavily on DLSS. With the 50 series, native 4K performance is much more achievable. You can run demanding games at ultra settings while still getting high frame rates. This makes the cards a dream for gamers who want both detail and speed. Speaking of DLSS, NVIDIA has upgraded its AI-powered upscaling for the RTX 50 series. The new version uses more advanced AI models, giving sharper details, less ghosting, and even better frame generation. This means you can play games at higher resolutions without sacrificing smoothness. For gamers, it feels like magic getting 100+ FPS in a game that would normally run at half that speed. And unlike earlier versions, frame generation now feels more natural, with fewer artifacts. Ray tracing is another area where the RTX 50 series shines. The new cores are faster and more efficient, so games with ray-traced lighting and shadows run smoother. In the past, enabling ray tracing often meant cutting frame rates in half. But now, thanks to both improved cores and smarter upscaling, ray tracing feels more usable. You can finally enjoy cinematic visuals without sacrificing smooth gameplay. For gamers who care about immersion, this is a big deal. Thermals and power efficiency have also improved. Despite offering more power, the 50 series cards manage heat better. This means less fan noise during long gaming sessions and better stability under heavy load. Power efficiency is important too, because high-end GPUs are known for drawing huge amounts of electricity. With the 50 series, NVIDIA has made progress in giving you more performance per watt. Another important part of gaming performance is latency. NVIDIA has worked on reducing system latency with technologies like Reflex, and on the 50 series, it feels even sharper. Competitive gamers will notice the difference when every millisecond counts. Whether you're landing headshots in Valorant or reacting quickly in Fortnite, the lower input delay gives you an edge. Now let's talk about the real-world gaming experience. For most players, the jump to the 50 series feels like moving into the next level of immersion. Games load faster, run smoother, and look sharper. Open-world games feel more alive because you can run them at higher detail without worrying about stutter. Fast-paced shooters feel more responsive because of higher frame rates and lower latency. VR gamers also benefit, as the extra performance translates into smoother, more comfortable experiences. Content creators and streamers will love these cards too. The 50 series includes upgraded NVENC encoders, which make video recording and streaming smoother and more efficient. You can play and stream at the same time with less impact on your performance. For gamers who share their gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, this is a huge upgrade. But what about value? Like always, NVIDIA's top-tier cards are expensive, and the RTX 50 series continues that trend. The flagship models are priced high, making them more suitable for hardcore gamers and professionals. But Nvidia usually releases more affordable options in the lineup, so mainstream gamers can still access the performance gains without spending thousands. If you're coming from the RTX 30 series, the jump will feel massive. You'll see higher frame rates, bet, to ray tracing, and more stable performance across the board. If you already have a 40 series card, the jump is less dramatic but still noticeable, especially if you game at 4K or use ray tracing heavily. For competitive gamers, the lower latency and higher frame rates alone might justify the upgrade. Of course, no product is perfect. These GPUs still run large in size, and you'll need a strong power supply for the higher-end models. The price will also be a barrier for many gamers. But if you want the best gaming experience possible today, the RTX 50 series delivers that in almost every way. In short, the RTX 50 series is not just faster, it's smarter. The combination of powerful cores, better AI upscaling, smoother ray tracing, and improved efficiency makes gaming more immersive than ever before. Whether you're a competitive player chasing frames or a story-driven gamer who wants maximum detail, these cards push performance into a new league. Overall, Nvidia's RTX 50 series feels like the future of gaming brought to the present. It gives you speed, visuals, and smoothness that redefine what's possible in modern PC gaming. If you're ready to experience the next generation of performance, this is the lineup that delivers it. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest tech in simple words so you know exactly what's worth your money. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this review. See you in the next one.